Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to remove these regular pack straps on the Haley flat pack, and we're going to remove them and web them through our plate carrier. So first, you're going to want to disconnect your chest piece right here. This is usually clipped across your chest to keep it nice and tight, and the pack is going to be flat up against your back. It's not going to move around. Well, you don't need it anymore because it's going on the back of a plate carrier. So down here, you can see you have this large loose end, and we're going to pull this out, and then we're going to undo the Velcro strap up here, and we're going to remove it from these hooks or these hanger area pieces. Alright guys, so we just got the right side done. So there's a little bit struggle pulling this shoulder strap off, just because this was a little bit wide for this, but you just kind of gotta fold it and wiggle it through as you saw in that time-lapse video. So now we're gonna do the same thing for the other side, and then we're gonna skip to mounting it on. So quick tip, the best way I found to do this was while you're pulling this through, you can actually fold the Velcro in on itself and not worry about the thickness of this elastic piece. This looks like it's to feed like a Camelback tube or something like through this, so looks like you can just avoid this in total and just, excuse me, fold over your Velcro and then just pull it out, wedging it sideways. So once everything's removed, if everything was done correctly, all you should have are these two straps to put onto your back panel. In here, I also found some clips. These looks like if you were to have like a H harness, some sort of vest, you could strap this to the back. But we won't be needing these because, again, we're putting this on the back of a plate carrier. Alright, so here we have the back plate of a Crye JPC. So what we're going to do is we're going to start funneling the threads through the molly webbing here. We're going to go through one on the plate and then one on the pack, and so on and so forth. You're going to want to keep these on, or maybe not, I don't know, we'll figure it out. So here's the back of the Crye. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by using these outboard ones, and then we're going to follow it straight down. Probably on this one, we're not going to use these, just go straight down. And then when we get down here, we will figure out whether to keep these on or if we're going to take them off. Hoping that we can just keep them on, because taking them off might be a real pain, but we'll find out. Alright guys, so now that we got all the way down here, right, we have this much of the straps left. Make sure you're pulling tight every single time so you get a maximum amount of length through these straps. So it looks like this line right here is going to be that most outboard side, so we're going to go one in. So we're going to use these ones right here, or maybe let's use the outboard one, because this is 1, 2, 3, so from the third one out is what we're going to use. And you can see there's a little bit of hole right here that you can push this through. And then we're just going to follow it the rest of the way down. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. The flat pack is now fully on, so both the hangers right here are co-aligned with each other. You can see it's nice and tight to the side of the pack, and I rolled it all the way through. So at the end, I pulled the excess down here, and I held up by the rear shoulder strap on the top just to get that extra length, and I looped it through the second to last one, and then using the excess, I just tucked it underneath right there, and it looks pretty good. So next step is to take this out in the field and actually use it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you'd like to see next, and as always, stay safe.